training kasi has, two objectives. Meron kasing training na for house lang.
Oo.
Private individuals. Ang objective nito primarily is to put discipline on your dog.
Oo.
So you can have control over your dog.
Okay. Para hindi siya umatake na ng mga bisita mo bigla-bigla. Okay.
Para maging well-mannered yung aso.
Okay.
And
Parang
the
anak.
dog to respect the master.
Okay.
Para malaman niya.
Parang nanay.
Parang that's the first level.
Yes.
And then yung, the different level,
And-
beyond that, I want, like, for example, a dog na kind of secures me.
Oo, yung bantay ng bahay. Pwede.
That's another type of dog. Hindi rin lahat ng breeds pwedeng gumawa ng trabaho na yun.
Chihuahua,
Okay.
pwede bang gumawa nun?
No.
Ay,
Oh, pero that's, yung canine training, like you said, that's the first level, di ba? Another level is yung para sa mga dog sniffing, gano'n.
Yes, for working
Okay.
purposes.
now you need specific kind of dog breeds,
Yes, there are specific kind of dog breeds for that kind of work.
which are
We have the Malinois, as you can see.
the
Belgian
Belgian Malinois.
The Belgian Malinois.
Yan yung parang mapait na version ng German Shepherd.
Yes, may resemblance.
Alam mo, sinasabi sa akin dati na ang Belgian Malinois, yung pinakamalinong aso, totoo ba yun?
One, intelligent.
What makes it very intelligent?
Kasi nasa genes na
Nasa
yan.
lahi na nila.
Nasa genes na ng dog talaga.
Kumbaga, easiest to train?
Oo. Kaya there are breeds that are being classified as working, herding dog.
Yes.
Ito working dog.
This is the working.
Okay.
What are the capabilities of a Belgian Malinois?
Ang Malinois kasi has very keen sense of smell.
Oh,
You
ako.
feel
Maamoy nila yung dog sa bahay. Di ba? Kakain nila, gano'n kayo sa dyan.
Smell, syempre i-train muna nila yung smell ng bomb.
Yeah.
Para ma-familiarize nila yung smell ng bomb.
Okay. Ano ba ang breed na pwede? Aside from Belgian, pwede mga Labrador.
yes, we have the Labrador Retrievers. We also have the Golden Retrievers.
Pero sabi naman sa akin, yung Labrador daw masyadong friendly to the point na baka yung magnanakaw, halikan pa niya. Totoo ba yan?
It is. Talagang sila, kumbaga, very much attached sila sa human.
Okay. How about the dogs na hindi pwede?
Certain types, tulad ng mga small dogs, like the one you mentioned, Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
Shih Tzus.
Question. Sabihin na natin, yung mga kapuso natin, na ang aso nila or ang bantay nila ay halo.
Yung mga askal. Ay, pwede
Askal.
askal.
Ang aso kasi may protective instinct. So still they're animals.
Yeah.
So they have this tendency to protect their masters, protect their
Okay.
environment, yung kanilang teritoryo kung tawagin.
Pero pwede pa rin silang patrain.
Yes.
Para katulad ng mga...
They can still be trained.
How old?
Yun lang.
How young?
Kasi for this kind of dogs, yung mga pure breeds like this, we can start training them by 5 months old.
months.
Like these two Labradors, 5 months lang sila. And the Malinois
Kaya ba?
is 7 months old.
So you can also train them to sniff bombs. Sabihin na natin yung mga askal na yan.
No.
Ay, hindi rin
Oh,
talaga.
talaga?
So it really depends on the kind of breed.
Yes.
Okay, pero yung sa mga tao naman, mga nasa bahay na yung natanong, gusto ko i-train ng aso ko, pero magkano yan? At saka saan ko
At saan?
pwede i-enroll? Oo.
Actually, ang training kasi for dogs, depende yan eh. For what kind of purpose.
Okay. Pero yung sa bahay lang, for example.
Sa bahay lang, that's very
Security
minimal.
ng bahay. Okay.
Security ng bahay. We call that personal protection training.
Okay.
Medyo may kamahalan yan. Kasi
Okay.
around 2 to 3 persons ang gumagawa ng training. Kasi.
Okay, so how much will that be? Give or take. All
I
parts.
cannot give you an exact rate, pero naglalaro yan between 50 to
Like how many sessions per week?
2 sessions per week. Kasi very stressful yung training na yan eh.
Stress mo sa mga masters at trainers.
Both to
Okay.
the trainers and the
Yeah, the dogs. Okay, maraming salamat. Mr. Jay Hizam ng K9 Exponent. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Okay, unang balita na ulit tayo mga kapuso.